Hey, beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. We're going to get straight into it. Today, I am trying out the Maybelline Superstay 30-hour concealer. Y'all hear what I just said? 30 hours. Why would you be wearing concealer for 30 hours? Y'all write in the comments below why you would be wearing concealer for 30 hours. I'm really thinking, why would I be wearing concealer for 30 hours? Why would I need to stay for 30 hours? Anywho, here I am today trying it out. So I got this in the color 42. How did I figure out this color? Well, it actually really looks really light, but on Maybelline's website, they have the try on thing. So, I uploaded a picture of myself, like without any makeup. And then I tried the different shades and I was able to compare and contrast. And I just felt like this color would go well as a concealer for my skin. But we about to see. Because you never really know things until you get them. So the product's in your hand and on your face. All right, so we're gonna start down in the crease. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Just do the V like usual. Not coming down too far. We never want to go past the nostril. But I try not to even take it that far. And then you don't want to come out, too wide. We just want to stay in this area for our concealer. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit more under here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. So I'm just gonna try one eye for now to see how this looks. And let's let the concealer just sit for a while, really let it soak into the skin for a little bit. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. And now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend this thing out. We don't really wanna do too much, so I'm doing it really softly. It's very soft. Okay. Blend it in as much as I can here. Getting that crease. Come up. Okay. All right, so whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Shaka laka, shaka laka. So that's what we got here, y'all. The color's all right. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I want to compare and contrast. So let's compare the Maybelline with LA Girl's Pro Concealer in Toffee. All right, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna use the other side of my beauty blender to blend this LA Girl's Pro Concealer Toffee out. It's very soft. They didn't really look about the same shade. They both blend in with my skin. Let's set both sides, okay? Using my Sacha Buttercup loose powder. Actually, first we're gonna take a little bit of powder. And this is for this side with the Maybelline Superstay. And we're just gonna blend any creases under the eye. Very soft, very soft. Okay, a little bit of powder and a little bit of blending. All right, so we're gonna apply the powder same way We applied the concealer. Okay. And let it bake. What we do to one side, we're gonna do to the other. We just gonna let it, we're gonna let this sit for a minute or so. Makeup is a journey. It's a journey. Like, makeup trends, they're always changing. So you try things out, see what works for you, what doesn't work for you. And it's life. Try to keep up if you can. If you can't, it don't matter. Do what works for you and looks good on your face, okay? And don't let nobody tell you different. Thank you. All right, now that it's been sitting for about 2 minutes, let's just go ahead and blend out our setting powder. And these are just little light dabs I'm doing. You don't want to do nothing too heavy, you know? Okay, it's our e.l.f. Superstay. On this side, not e.l.f. Superstay, Maybelline Superstay. On this side is our LA Girls Pro Concealer. This is what it's looking like. I'm really trying to determine if I like one side better than the other. Like what the difference is, you know? Quite frankly, they both look the same to me. Is it possible? Impossible. I don't know why, but I feel like I look ashy. I feel like I look ashy. I need a loose powder that's my complexion just to buff it all out. But you know what? Let me just take my powder brush and just you know what I'm saying? Just a little wipe. If I can get out my head about feeling ashy. I mean, one concealer over the other. Honestly, y'all, they both look alike to me. They really do. You know what? Let's do this. Let's use the Maybelline Superstay to do a little bit of highlighting. Just go down the middle of the nose. I did bring it down a little too far. That's all right. Let's do our, what they call this again? Hold on. Let's do our Cupid's bow. I'm learning, y'all. Just a little bit of product. We don't need to do too much. And then let's do our chin. Just a little bit. And then let's do our forehead. And just a little bit. I ain't trying to do too much today. Okay. Da 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 da. Now let's blend this out. Just very, very light dabs to create some highlight to our face, which gives our face, you know, dimension. More dimension than it already has. Like this thing, change the shape of my nose. Change the shape of my nose. Okay. All right, y'all. We're just gonna do a little bit. Since we're here, let's just do just a little bit of contouring. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in a rich cocoa. Just a little bit of contouring right here. We're gonna keep it high. Right there. Keep it high. Right here. And then just a little bit around the forehead. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm just gonna do a little bit on the side of my nose, both sides. Okay. All right, so we're gonna blend this up. Very, very lightly. We're working on being less heavy-handed. Just to contour the face. Okay, we're giving our face lots of dimension. And then just blend this out lightly as well. We don't have to come out too far, but kind of stay in this top area of the forehead. Okay. The contouring. Okay, this side, let's do the same. Let's just blend up. I should have done this beforehand, before setting, but that's all right. Once again, we're learning and we're growing. You know what? You could always set the face again. And then with the nose, I'm just gonna blend this out. Out to the side. Out to the side. Okay. My nose look different. This how y'all be changing the way y'all nose look? I see now. I feel like it just makes my nose look more slim. Yeah, more slim. All right, so we are going back in with our loose powder to set those areas that we highlighted. We got the Maybelline Super Stay and the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Toffee. The Super Stay is in the color 42. And they damn near look the same to me, okay? But I will check in with y'all about this Super Stay to see if it's still staying, okay? I'm back. It is 5 hours later since putting on my concealer. We have the Maybelline Super Stay on this side, and then we have the e.l.f. Not e.l.f. Why I keep saying e.l.f.? And we have the LA Girls Pro Concealer on this side. How's it going? I mean, it's still sticking, for real, for real. I mean, it's cold, so the makeup's sticking. It ain't like it's hot and I'm sweating or anything. So that's cool. Y'all, I did have to run to the store and get this Black Radiance Pressed Powder. I got this in Bronze Glow. I think I told y'all earlier that I was just feeling ashy. Like I just needed a little colored powder. So I am going to use some of this. I'm not even sure why I don't own colored powder. It's actually very odd that I don't. I'm just going to put this under my eye. Just to add a little bit more color so I don't feel ashy. Okay, Black Radiance. Hold on, I'm going to do my whole face on here, y'all. Quite frankly, y'all, I'm really trying to see what the difference is between the Maybelline and the LA Girls Pro Concealer, and I don't see it. I really don't. Is it me, or do y'all see a difference? Do y'all see a difference between the two? Because I don't. I'm gonna check back in with y'all later, see if I notice anything else. Okay, y'all. I did a really, really bad thing. Now, what we're not gonna do is we're not gonna beat ourselves up. We're not gonna be hard on ourselves because things happen, and that's life. Life still goes on. Regardless of the things that happen, life is still gonna go on, okay? I slept in my makeup. The backlash, I already hear it. I can hear it. Okay, let me tell y'all what happened. So what happened was I had a reminder to update y'all, like at the end of the night before I go to sleep. You know, I don't really know how I was gonna hear that reminder because my phone was on focus mode, which means alerts don't come through. Anywho, here we are about what, let's say 22, maybe 22 hours later. This is your Maybelline mainstay. You can tell it's 22 hours later. You know why? Because you can see the crust in my eye. So, you know, let me get that together. Hold on. Okay, so anywho, I slept really good. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I had me some scary dream. It was just, anyways, I slept good. The point is, I slept good, and obviously I look like I slept good. Whew, I had no alarm go off. I was able to sleep in, and for me, sleeping in is about 9 a.m. But that's cool. That works for me. Anywho, so as we can see, looks like the concealer held up. Maybelline Superstay, 30-hour wear. Hour 22 is still intact. So, anywho, it's my highlight. My highlight ain't really there no more. I mean, what do you expect? I went to sleep. Dang, my head was under covers on my arm, which way, every way. Anyways, I do like the Maybelline Superstay, so I will be using this in my makeup routines. When I am doing like a full face of makeup, I am going to incorporate this concealer because I bought it and I don't really like the waste. And it didn't do any harm to my skin. Clearly, I didn't break out or anything, so that's a good sign too. And the color works as long as I use like my pressed powder over it to restore my natural color. So I would suggest the Maybelline Superstay, y'all. Check out the link in my description box to purchase this product. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And shoot, if you watch this long, you might as well go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also check me out on Instagram, y'all. I be acting like myself on Instagram as well. So go ahead and check me out on Instagram, Soso Models. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.